Vechain at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a short-term bounce to the upside, and on today's update video I will be discussing the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above for me to consider that the market is getting back into bull mode, and to also give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out on the short term here on the Vechain chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, from the highs we made in December 2024, you can see that the market has been seeing lower prices, and at some point this year on the 10th of October, the market was down more than 87.74%, and after that massive liquidation event, you can see that we have been trying to get a bit of a bounce, though we have only been seeing sideways chop. And the key area of resistance that I'm watching for a break above for me to consider that Vechain is back into bull market mode is a break above the high we made above the 0.03409. A substantial break above that significant high can easily send Vechain all the way to the highs we made in December 2024 above the 0.08 USDT mark in the next coming weeks. But as long as you continue holding below that significant low, then continue expecting more chop on the short term. Jumping to the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour chart I have a structure that is unfolding. So if I zoom out here on the 1 hour chart, from the lows we made on the 5th of August, I have been observing a 1-2 setup over here, terming these initial bounce as the formation of that first wave. So we have these as a wave 1, then we got a bit of a pullback in the formation of this second wave, and the bounce that is unfolding right now can easily turn out to be the formation of that third wave. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And to just show you that the second wave did the minimums, I will connect the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1. And you can see that we got a pullback in this second wave into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the 618, and that is between the 0.0143 and the 0.014, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize the area, though you can see that we got a very nice reaction starting this bounce that has now given us a break above the high we made in the formation of this wave 1 above the 0.01541. And in the next coming hours, as long as we continue holding above that significant high we made in the formation of that first wave, we can easily get another push to the upside in the formation of this third wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the fibs to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to as my next target area is on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.01778, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours. Expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4 and then finally top out in the formation of that wave 5, possibly above the 0.02 USDT mark in the next coming hours. But we also need to have in mind that we can easily get an invalidation of this case scenario, and that will start to unfold the moment we lose this golden pocket once again by breaking below the 0.014. The moment we lose that significant low, then I will expect that Vechain is going to give us a reset of the lows we made on the 5th of November below the 0.01319 in the next coming days. And from that point, we can start to be extremely cautious because that would mean that Vechain can easily make new bear market lows and also give us a reset of the lows we made back in 2020 and 2021. So those are the key scenarios that I expect here on the Vechain chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.